Hey Subbies, welcome back to your YouTube channel. It's the girl Jisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. Not just any video, but another reaction video. So today we're gonna do another reaction to Forestella. And this one he'll sing Lazenca, Save Us. Yes. So before you get started in this video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I post another video. Yes. Also, comment down below what video you want me to react to next, and I'll do it for y'all. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Lazenca, save us. Lazenca, save us. Lazenca, save us. Lazenca, save us, save us, save us, save us. 스스로 불러온 태양에 짓눌려 당신은 하늘을 가리우며
멸망의 공포가 지배하는 이곳 희망은 이미 날개를 접었나
내진 죽음에 물들어 검은 태양만이 아직 눈물 흘릴 뿐
마지막 한 줄기 한물도 말라버린 후에 남은 건 심장 천국의 날개 펴고 결단의 칼을 높이는 자요 보수의 이빨 증오의 말투로 우리의 법을 되돌려다오
죽음에 물들어 검은 태양만이 아직 눈물 흘릴 뿐
이미 예언된 미래조차
공에 흩어진 네 save us. Lazenca, save us. Lazenca, save us, save us, save us, save us.
Oh my god, this song is really good. Trust me, Lazenca, save us. Comment down below what you think. What is Lazenca? Because I don't know what Lazenca is or what, but y'all, this is really good. Like really good. Like, oh my god, it's just so good. I'm in love with it already. Lazenca, save us. This is really a nice song. I love it. Please comment down below more video suggestions for me to do for y'all, because I'll do it for y'all, because why not? I'll do it for y'all. So yes, please leave all of those comments down below. I love to read all of your comments. It's like you know, it's like y'all my text buddies. So I really like to you know, just sit down and listen to some songs, some favorite songs. But yeah, hope y'all like the recent video that just uploaded yesterday. Hope y'all like it. I read some really great comments and I love y'all. I have some comments that I get that I don't really understand, that are not in English, but and yes, because I drop reaction videos 5 times a week from Monday to Friday, I'm doing well. Like, so make sure you do all those good things. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.